Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost framework in Termux. Termux transforms your Android device into a powerful Linux environment, enabling advanced command line operations. The Ghost framework is a sophisticated post-exploitation tool designed for ethical penetration testing. It provides various functionalities, including gathering device information and managing files, all from your mobile device. Understanding its capabilities and ethical implications is key. To begin, you'll need to prepare your Termux environment. Start by updating and upgrading all existing packages to ensure everything is current. Next, install Python and Git, as these are fundamental for the framework's operation. Once those are in place, you can clone the Ghost framework repository directly from GitHub. After cloning, navigate into the newly created directory to proceed with the next steps. With the repository cloned, the next step is to install the necessary Python dependencies. Use the pip command to install all required packages, ensuring the framework runs smoothly. After installation, grant execution permissions to the main script file. Finally, you can launch the Ghost framework by executing the script. Once running, you can explore its diverse modules and commands, ready for your ethical testing scenarios. It is paramount to emphasize the ethical use of tools like the Ghost framework. Always obtain explicit, written permission before conducting any form of penetration testing on systems you do not own. Understand the significant legal implications involved in unauthorized access. This framework should be used strictly for educational purposes, enhancing your understanding of security. Always practice responsible security research and report vulnerabilities ethically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.